Okay. So, hello, everybody. I'd like to welcome my guest today, Colin, who's going to tell us all about his new terrible talk show idea.
Okay.
And and the last thing that you did too was the idea of social distance and gaming on your
Yep.
show. So, could you explain to everyone the idea of social distance and gaming?
All right. So the idea is just to try and have your video game character maintain the equivalent of 6 feet in the game. So for Mario, it's equivalent of the big Mario, that much sprite distance from any other creatures. For Batman, Arkham City and Arkham Knight and all that sort of thing, it's taking out all the henchmen and thugs without getting anywhere near them. It's that sort of thing.
Okay. And so I decided to actually make a short video of Gears of War 5. And so I thought today we would take a look at some video from Gears of War 5 that I did and see whether you believe that this is proper social distancing.
All right. So just as an aside, I
Yeah.
myself have never actually played Gears of War, any of them. So this
Okay.
is so I'm just gonna be randomly commenting about stuff, probably.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So you can see right here that that's my character.
Yeah.
So I decided not to go with one of the easier ones to play because there's certain ones that are more distance based. You can see that this guy's got a big giant knife on the front of his gun.
Mm-hmm.
So normally if I was to play him, I would be running around and knifing people.
Sure. Yeah.
So in this case, we're not going to knife people. A couple other things that I added into my rule set in order to say that this is proper social distancing. I'm not going to pick up any of the enemy's weapons.
Makes
They're
sense.
dirty,
Mm-hmm.
dirty
Mm-hmm.
weapons. Um,
And are you gonna pick up ammo still?
I will pick it up from the ammo crates because I think that that's at least pick upable.
Sure.
Otherwise, it would be completely impossible to do.
I don't know how much ammo you have to start with. Okay, but you're gonna stay away from your teammate as well, right?
I'm going to have to stay away from my teammates. Yes.
Now is this online? Do these people know that you're doing this at all?
This is online, and I haven't told anyone what I'm doing.
All right.
So.
Okay, be careful because some of your teammates are
Yeah,
not
yeah.
great at
You can see
it.
you can see that I'm trying to move away. That's the AI teammates.
Yeah,
They're
yeah.
trying to get close.
It's like people at the grocery store.
And then I saw Jack here, but Jack is a robot. So I was like, well,
Okay.
robots probably don't count. I think we're okay to be near robots. That's the ammo box.
Mm-hmm.
So right off the bat, I'm going to have some difficulties with
Yeah.
this.
Because mainly your teammates come running towards you.
Yeah, so I got to back away from them. And here I'm like, okay, well, I can maybe get some social distance. And then these the little tiny, retchy sort of things come in. And they're, jumping around. Not good social distancing.
No. This is not a great game for that. I mean,
No. I'm trying.
you're trying,
Okay.
yeah, and that's part of the fun, right? Is to see which games this actually works with.
Yeah, and so
Yeah.
here, that's where I would have probably run
Yeah.
up and just knifed them, and instead
But no, you're running and
Right.
trying to get some distance. It's good. It's good.
running away, yeah.
Yeah.
And so I'm running
was
all the way
playing-
back. He's still chasing after me. He just does not have good social distancing.
No.
I think he's going. It's like the people that you were complaining about going to the grocery store.
Yeah, they just or the joggers that just run past you panting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So completed wave 1. I don't think that was very good social distancing.
Yeah, I'd give it like a C. A C.
That's a C for social distancing. Okay. And so here I'm just still kind of trying to figure out how to play this game with social distancing.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm realizing, I'm starting to get low on ammo. So
Mhm.
ammo box is probably okay. So we're going into wave 2. And see, the bigger ones, they at least do have social distancing because they're at least shooting. See, there's another one of them.
Keeping some distance.
He's trying to get me. He's not social distancing. Not much. So that's the power up that he
Yeah,
has.
yeah.
So you got to wear your mask. I also picked a character that has a mask.
I did notice that. Yeah, you did.
Yes.
Yeah. So I
Because
mean,
masks now they're saying are important to the whole situation, so I think we should probably start wearing them, right? If we're
yeah,
outside. Like if you're
yeah.
in this space, see, not good social distancing again.
No, no.
Yeah, I'm trying.
It's yeah. It's not working that well.
No, I'm well again, it's like this is part of the problem, right? Because he's such a close combat character that
It's not even that. I don't know, like that. A different character would be much better. It's the issue of like the enemies come and run right up
I
at
know
you. And,
they're not good at social distancing, and here's some more of the big robot
yeah.
things. And they're again trying not to social
Mhm.
distance.
And like your teammates aren't helping either.
Yeah, I guess if I inform them that that's what I was doing, but they are staying at least now about 6 feet away. So there, I was trying to get to the box to grab something, and then you move closer. So
Hmm.
I thought, you know what we need? I need to start looking into maybe incendiary grenades at this point.
Hmm. Hmm.
Because I was like, you know what? Maybe fire is a good way to get rid of viruses. So
Well, I was explaining the whole social distancing in video games concept to someone, and
mhm.
we were talking about Skyrim and how to do it in Skyrim. Um,
Ooh,
and so, first of all, if you want to do like the strict like super paranoid mode, you can't
yeah.
accept missions from people, right?
No, because you got to
So
talk
you've
to
got
them.
to, yeah, because they have to get close enough to talk to. So you have to like only accept the like some of the Daedric quests and the other missions that just show up from picking up a book or whatever.
They
But but
they
one of
really
their suggestions was to cast fireball on yourself and clean yourself off with fire.
so this is really tough because these guys just they want to come up and hug you. And it's
Yeah,
like I have to enforce social distancing rules.
yeah, yeah.
But I at
They're
least got my
they're
my
the
shield there
lonely
again.
people that have gone crazy from the isolation already.
Hmm?
Couple weeks. They're the people that have gone crazy from the isolation a couple weeks in already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So once again, I'm trying to put some distance. I need
Hmm. Hmm.
some distance, and they don't want to give me distance.
No, I don't think Gears of War is particularly the game for this. There might be some first-person shooters that would work in, but not. But this is yeah,
Yeah, there's too
not hard.
too many close combat opportunities,
Hmm.
especially when you got a chainsaw on the end of your rifle. But then the blood goes everywhere, and that means viruses are
Yeah,
everywhere.
yeah.
So not good distancing.
No.
We do finally get to the
On the
boss.
on the plus side, you do have the face mask, so
I
that's
do have
something.
the face mask, and I do have a robot that can heal me. So
Hmm.
yeah,
Hmm.
I'm trying very hard to maintain distance. Even the boss, like he just wants to come up and hug you.
Yep.
So trying to put that distance in. So, oh, just not good social distance.
No, no, no. Oh, they
See, now I'm covered
spat
with
on you
viruses.
like you were covered in goo.
Covered in viruses. Yeah. Gotta keep running. So I think we've basically come to the conclusion that Gears of War is
Yeah,
not a good game
not a
for
good
social
game for social
distance.
distancing. No, no.
No.
Super Mario Brothers, it works, but not Gears of War.
Yeah. So
But I mean, it's interesting to check, right? To figure it out which games you can do it in.
yeah,
Something to do during these times, right?
exactly. So I don't know, give that a try
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
see what kind of games can use social distancing.
And I will say that you definitely can do all of the Batman Predator missions in Batman Arkham Origins. I have tested that.
You have tested that. Okay. So
Yeah,
we
the
have
Predator missions you can
verification
do. The
predator
non
mission.
DLC Predator missions I've tested it on.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, but I am interested to see if other people will start picking up this whole, you know, social distancing challenge in video games.
Okay. So this is you got speed runs and now you have social
Yeah, it's a
distance
different thing.
challenge.
Yeah, I mean, it's like trying to play through Skyrim with using only a fork as a weapon. There's all kinds of
Yeah,
challenges.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for being on and creating the
Oh
social
yeah.
distance challenge.
I no. Thanks for having me on. Yeah, it
Okay,
was
and I'll
fun.
just say stay safe and remember to wash your hands.
Yep.
Okay.
Bye,
Bye,
people.
everybody. Hamna Islam and I have written a new book. It's on various issues inside of playtesting, how to effectively use dice, and other ways that you can make board games much more fun for your players. If you're interested, then go and check it out here.